and welcome back. If you're looking for a seamless, secure way to migrate your Outlook PST or OST files directly to Microsoft Office 365, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, we are walking through the complete step-by-step process using the Softaken migration tool. It's incredibly straightforward, so let's jump right into the software and get started. Step 1. Add source file. Launch the application and click on the Add button. Here, you have two flexible choices. You want to select individual PST or OST files. You can easily browse your folder tree to preview your emails, contacts, and calendar items before moving forward. Step 2. Select folders. On the left panel, check the specific folders you want to migrate, like your inbox, sent items, custom folders, or even Gmail label folders. The message list and preview panes are right there to help you verify your contents before uploading. Step 3. Open Upload Wizard. Open the Upload Wizard. Once your folders are selected, go to the toolbar and click Upload to Office 365 Server. Step 4. Authenticate Office 365. Sign in securely using OAuth, which opens a standard, secure browser-based login. Step 5. Choose source mode. Select Office 365 OAuth, since we are uploading directly to a Microsoft 365 mailbox. Quick tip: if you ever need to upload to a standard IMAP server instead, you can easily switch to IMAP mode right here, and the wizard will adapt to your choice. Step 6. Configure target mapping. Now, pick how you want your files structured in Office 365. You have 3 great upload strategies. First, import into selected target folder to put everything into one chosen mailbox folder. Second, create a new target folder to place your items under a custom folder name. Third, keep original PST folder structure, which completely recreates your exact source hierarchy under a dedicated Softaken folder in a new mailbox. Step 7. Advanced Options Optional. Open this when you need finer control. You can enable options to re-import all items or retry only the previously failed items from a last run. A huge plus here is that pause and resume are fully supported mid-migration if you ever need to stop temporarily. Step 8. Activate license. If you are running a full migration, you'll need your file-based license key. Click Activate License on the toolbar, or go to File and select Activate License to paste the key you received after purchase. Step 9. Process migration. Everything is set. Simply click the Process button. The migration engine gets to work, reading each item, converting it to MIME or Graph.json, and uploading it securely via Microsoft Graph. That's it. 10 simple steps to safely move your data over to Office 365 using the Softaken migration tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech guides and digital walkthroughs.